In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a refund from a vendor in QuickBooks. This task is essential for keeping your financial records accurate and up to date, and I'll guide you through each step, offering tips along the way to make the process as smooth as possible. The first thing you'll want to do is click on Sign In. This is your starting point for accessing all the handy features QuickBooks Online has to offer. If you don't have an account yet, be sure to set one up so you can follow along. Once you are signed in, choose QuickBooks Online from the options. This selection is crucial as it ensures you're working within the online framework, designed to offer streamlined accessibility and real-time data updates. Now type in your credentials and hit Continue. Remember to double check your login details to avoid any hiccups. Once you're logged in, head over to the navigation bar and click on New. This button is your gateway to creating new transactions and records, so it's vital to know where it is. You'll find New generally located in the upper left corner, making it easily accessible. Next, click on Vendor Credit. This is where you'll enter details about the refund. Vendor credits are essential for tracking refunds or purchase returns accurately, and starting here will help you keep everything organized. Once you've accessed the vendor credit page, the next step is to add the vendor. Simply start typing the vendor's name in the designated field, and QuickBooks should begin auto-completing the entry for you thanks to its intuitive design. After that, it's time to add the category. This categorization is key to ensuring your ledger remains clear and your transactions are correctly sorted. Be sure to choose the category that most accurately reflects the nature of the refund to maintain consistency in your records. Moving on to the next step, you'll need to add a description. Crafting a clear, concise description here can save you a lot of confusion down the line, especially when reviewing past transactions or preparing for audits. Then you'll enter the refund amount. Make sure this figure matches the refund discussed with your vendor to keep everything balanced. Once you've completed that, add the customer associated with this vendor credit, if applicable. This step can help segment your financial activities, ensuring the refund is easily traceable back to a specific customer. Finally, click on Save and Close to finalize the entry. Saving efficiently ensures all the information you've inputted is securely stored and readily accessible whenever you need it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently enter a vendor refund into QuickBooks, keeping your business finances in tip-top shape. Remember, maintaining clear and accurate records will not only help you manage your business better, but also be a stress reliever come tax season. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.